Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Dirty Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something coming in from Vero Engineering. I'm super excited to take a look, so yeah, let's open this. Alright, today I'm opening up my box with my Vero Engineering fixed blade Axon. Love this thing, been carrying this quite a bit actually, so let's get into this. A perfectly great knife to open a box with, because that's what I do a lot with this knife. It's a really good tool. Should consider getting one. All right, so what do we have here? A Vero Engineering sticker, which we're definitely going to put in with the giveaways. And in here we have, I don't need to rip that open. I always do that. But you don't have to rip that open. It's not sealed. All right, so this may look familiar to you. Oh, yeah. Okay. So this is the Vortex TI. And what you can see here, this right here does all sorts of stuff. It spins. You see that? It has a screwdriver, a hex bit. So what do we have here? Magnetic little clasp. Now you saw me at Blade Show. I interviewed Joseph on this particular one as well. So this one here doesn't have the flathead, but that's okay. I don't think it comes with the flathead. Let's see, what is it? What does it say? What it includes here? Includes a, okay, yep, that's all it includes. A T8, a T10, and a Phillips. These are all WEHA. And as you can see, that works really well. And you know, I use a lot of, oh yeah, I use a lot of, okay, hold on. I gotta see how long I can talk. I use a lot of my tools when I do disassemblies and I take knives apart, do all that. So that's kind of a given thing, right? So I do like doing that a lot. And I was able to get this. I believe this is a seconds. So it was something that was not quite up to par, but I said, you know, hey, I'll pay whatever. If I could just, I would love to use this for my videos and highlight your stuff. And even a seconds to me would be amazing. And I think they had one, just not enough for them to post, I don't think, as available. So fortunately, I was able to do so. And so what it'll mean is there'll probably be like a little something where maybe the letter's not perfect, or there's like a nick or something on there, or let's see here. I'm, you know, again, the thing about Vero Engineering is their seconds. It's a Sherlock Holmes investigation to find out where it is a second, because many times I have a hard time finding what made this a seconds. So maybe there's some scuff marks up on top. I don't know. I'm guessing maybe some snail trails. Is there some milling? Maybe not perfect to what they want in here. That's all I can think of. All right. I don't see anything that makes this a seconds to me, quite frankly. Well, we'll discover it, right? I mean, it looks absolutely perfect. And this will be on a lot of videos, and I'm super excited about that. So let's pull out my other stuff. So here's my other tool that I normally use. And now I'll probably keep having this as a tool, but the nice thing is if I wanted to, watch this. I can leave it out here like this. Now it's kind of big and it's kind of look a little awkward, so I'll probably keep it in a case or something like that, and it'll make more sense. But I can use all my other bits in there, right? And when I'm working on it, and what I love, the other one I have is a little thin. This one is thicker, and I can get in there, push hard because I've got the texture, and I can get that little part there where I can really turn hard and get some. The other one's, it's the Ultim. It's a little slippery. It's not going to be quite as easy. And then this one still has the ability for me to push down and turn, which I really like. That is always really helpful on certain things that you screw, because then otherwise this one I'm picking up, and sometimes that changes it, and if you push back down, you're not quite seated, and that's how you can strip a screw. So there's just a lot of benefit to having something like this. I've always wanted a really, really nice one like this. And I've looked at some of the real fancy titanium from, what is it, the guys who make some knives. I can't remember what they're called, but there's titanium. They're really expensive, right? Timascus, yeah, Timascus. It's really fancy, but this is USA made, which I love that fact. This is a USA made product, so to me, that's meaningful, and I love the fact that I have a USA Vero ProTech collab knife. I have a USA made now Vortex TI tool, and I have a couple of other. I have their fixed blade, and I have a couple of their knives as well. So I really do like. I like Vero engineering a lot. I really do. Now I will tell you, in my kit, the one screws that I will have. Now this is a great size screw actually. I really could use that over here. That's really fantastic. Matter of fact, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add that over here because that's a good small Phillips head that I don't have. That's nice. I want to add a couple of T6s and a T10 in here because that's what I normally would use over here, a T6 and a T10. Of course, the other ones, some of the other ones is a T15. So I use the T8, T6, T8, T10, and then we have, I get a T6 and probably a T15. So yeah, a T6 and a T15 is what I think I want to put in there. That's going to be my two tools that I'm going to carry with it. And I like this little tool. I like this little set, this little pouch. This is nice. This is really nice. This is something I want to use. This is something I want to have in my collection because I actually will be using this little pouch. And I'd love to have something when I go on trips, go to Blade Show and stuff. I want to take something with me. This is a big setup to take. This is really convenient to have a little thing like this. I can put that right into a little pouch and there you go. I'm good to go. And I have at least the 4 main bits that I need in here, right? The 4 main bits I can always kind of have with me. I need to go get that. So I would get probably a T6 like this. And then I would get a like a T15 like this. And then that would be what I would carry in my pouch like this. To Blade Show or to trips and stuff. Now I have something with me. So very cool, very cool. I really do like this. I appreciate Vero Engineering allowing me to do so. I do have an affiliate, right, with them. So I have links if you're ever curious for, if you want to buy a Vero Nova Mini, or you want to buy the Vortex, the Vortex, I don't have one for these, but you want to buy the Axon fixed blade, I have links for this that helps the channel. It doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does help the channel if you want to ever use those. I'll try to have those in the description below, but it does help the channel out if you ever want to do that. I know a couple of you guys have done that, and I do appreciate you guys so much for doing that, but these are cool tools. These are really cool tools. And I had a great interview with Joseph at Blade Show, Texas. And I hope when I go to Blade Show Atlanta, which I'm really liking to, really want to go there, hope I get to interview him again and talk to him some more about some of the stuff that I've used this year. And I like this little thing right here. It's a cool little what do you call it? Lanyard. Yeah, it's a cool little lanyard. That's the plastic version of it, right? So very, very cool. All right. We're going to put this to the side. Well, I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to leave this out. Why not? Let's do this. Let's put it out here like this. Let's open it up so you guys can see what we got here. And you know what? Why don't I do a zoom in? I mean, it's worth taking a look at, right? So let's look at this. So here's the tool. Maybe you can help me find where the seconds came out, right? So here's that beautiful milling, and it's got good grip, left and right, right? And then right here, you've got enough where you can really leverage in there. Then you've got the spinner right here, right? And it does have like a little cage ball bearing in there that it goes on. But you can put the pressure down, and here's the back of the ball, right? That can spin left and right. I don't know if you can see anything. So there's the Vero Engineering. I don't see anything that would make it seconds. Unless that little scratching right there. I don't know. Just trying to figure out what it is. Sometimes it's next to impossible to figure out. Maybe a shape he didn't like. You know, if you compare these to next to another one, maybe it'll stand out. But since I only have one and I have no idea, I don't really see the issue here, right? And there's the pin, right? Nice and smooth, super buttery smooth. I really like that. That's really cool. All right, so that's the actual bit driver. And then you have the case right here. And it is magnetic, like I said. You just drop it in there, right? Let's make sure we kind of show off what we have in here. We have a T15. Here we have a T6. A T10, T8, and then this closes like that. Little Vero, a little lanyard bead right here, which is real nice for opening and closing when you're traveling. You just kind of close, open, right? And the nice thing is, you drop it, you just put it right back in, it falls right in. So just for the sake of the picture, I'm going to make sure it shows it's the T6 here. Yeah. So we're going to do that. Right. So there you go. And then of course it comes with a nice little pouch, you can see. Vero Engineering, so on both sides, right? There you go. Double stitch at the bottom, which is always nice. It's a little extra strength, a little double stitch on top. I do like that, and burnt there so it doesn't fray. Nice little touches that you have on that magnet here. I think this is 3D printed. Looks like it is to me. So very cool. You must be a pin in there and then sealed over on the edge or something, I'm guessing. I don't know. Very cool. Very, very cool. Let's zoom back out. I want to get a little money shot on this. I think maybe we can do a nice little shot like this. What do you say? This will be what I call my thumbnail money shot. You can call it whatever you want, but this will be the thumbnail picture that I'll use for the video. Like that. Can I zoom in a little bit? Oh, I'm going to have to move over. Just trying to cover up my... I need to get a new desktop because I got a scratch there from dropping knives and stuff. Yeah, that happens when you do everything on your desktop here, right? I don't know if that's going to look as good if I don't zoom out. Yeah, let's zoom out. I think we'll just, zoom out, Robert. I think we're just going to zoom out. It'll look better if it's spread apart a little bit, I think, like this. Yeah, like this maybe? You tell me. I'll probably fast forward it through all of this. So let me go and take a picture of that. I think that's nice. And then I'll move this over here. Maybe we'll do this. How about that? And then we'll have this over here. All right, so there we go. This is the Vortex. Vortex? What are we calling this? Vortex? What is it? Vortex TI. It makes sense. It's like a vortex right here, right? Spins like a vortex. I think that's cool. All right, very cool. If you guys have one of these, let me know what your thoughts are on it and how much you like it, what you think about it. Love to hear your experiences with this thing. So bring that up. So, at least so you guys can see it. It's hard to, normally a knife is real easy to center because I do that all the time. I don't do this all the time. So, there you go. Of course, I've got that in the background, which should have been kind of dropped out of the background, but I didn't. So sorry. All right. So let me know what you think about this. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative or entertaining, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Subscribing and liking my videos on the channel really helps me out. Allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the content, part of the channel, part of the live stream, who's just part of the whole community. I appreciate you. Thank you sincerely. If you haven't already, all of you guys, maybe hit that notification button down here as well so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out, a big thank you to all my channel members out there. Appreciate you guys. You do two things for me. I don't do this full time. I'm a part-time guy. So you are like my workout buddies. You encourage me to keep doing this, reminding me why I love doing this. So I thank you. The second thing, because of your generous support, you allow me to check out and do things sooner than I thought I'd ever be able to. For instance, I've been checking out some really cool knives lately. I got to cover that shipping. It's expensive. I just shipped back like 3 knives to Mr. Eddie, and it was like over $60. Just for 3 knives. Now I've got a huge shipment I got to ship back to Boy Kilo, and that's going to be even more. So I appreciate you guys. Those little things add up when you do that quite often. So thank you to you guys. You really do help so much, right? And then you also allow me to keep doing the weekly giveaways because I couldn't afford those with all those other expenses, right? So thank you. So I do 2 exclusive things for my channel members, right? I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. That's available to everybody every month after the regular giveaway, the budget banger giveaway we do for everybody. Once a month, I'll do a members giveaway. Usually try to make a nice knife between $100 and $300. Hopefully something you would like to win or give away yourself. The other thing I do is all brand new channel members, I'd love to give you a channel sticker and a little thank you note, right? So if you just became a brand new channel member, actively currently a member right now, email me with your name and address, and I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. That also can apply to if you've been members all along or you were a member and became a member again. You never asked for a channel sticker, never got a channel sticker, but you're currently actively a member right now. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note as well. All right, thank you guys. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.